Hello everyone.
My name is Ethan Parker. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I'm currently a college student, and I'm happy to have the chance to introduce myself today. I was born and raised in Toronto, a city known for its diversity, culture, and friendly people. Growing up here has allowed me to meet people from many different backgrounds, and that experience has taught me the importance of respect, understanding, and open-mindedness. As a student, I enjoy learning new things every day. College has given me the opportunity to develop new skills, gain knowledge, and prepare for my future career. I believe that education is more than just studying for exams. It is about personal growth, building confidence, and becoming the best version of yourself. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and watching documentaries. I also like spending time outdoors, especially during the summer months. Whether it's walking through a park, exploring different neighborhoods, or simply enjoying nature, I appreciate activities that help me relax and stay positive. One of my strongest qualities is that I am always willing to learn from others. When I'm not studying, I like to keep things simple. I enjoy going to the gym, listening to music, watching YouTube videos, and spending time with friends. I'm also someone who enjoys quiet moments, whether that's going for a walk, reading a book, or just taking some time to think about future goals. One thing about me is that I believe improvement comes from consistency. You don't have to be perfect every day. You just need to keep moving forward, even if the progress feels small. College life has definitely taught me that. There are assignments, deadlines, exams, and sometimes stressful weeks. But every challenge teaches you something valuable. I've learned how to manage my time better, stay organized, and keep working, even when things get difficult. I'm also very interested in personal growth. I enjoy learning new skills and finding ways to become more productive. Whether it's improving communication, learning new technology, or developing better habits, I always try to invest in myself. Looking ahead, my goal is to build a successful career in the tech industry. I want to work on projects that solve real problems and make people's lives easier. Eventually, I'd love to start my own company and turn some of my ideas into reality. Another goal of mine is to travel more. There are so many places around the world that I'd love to visit. I think traveling teaches lessons that you simply can't learn in a classroom. If I had to describe myself in a few words, I'd say I'm curious, hardworking, and always willing to learn. I don't know everything, and honestly, I don't think anyone does. But I believe that staying curious and continuing to learn is one of the most important things in life. At the end of the day, I'm just a regular student trying to improve, build a meaningful future, and enjoy the journey along the way. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have an amazing day. Subscribe for more videos.